Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call a fudge and vanilla cake, yellow cake. Yes, indeed. I got chocolate mix, cake mix, and I got yellow cake mix. And I'm gonna make a marble. It's sort of like a marble cake, and it's gonna be a pound cake. But you can use any ingredients you want. If you want to make a pound cake, you make sure you put the chocolate inside some of the uh, batter in order to form a good marble cake. But this is a simple cake. I use this uh, best choice cake mix, and I love it because it turns out perfect for me. And I got a recipe in some of the archives up there in my video, so y'all go over there and check them out and see how I do. Um, a regular cake mix make it taste like it's not a cake mix. Make it taste like it's a regular cake. You put that good icing on there. Nobody never know. Well, anyway, this is what we're gonna do first. I would like to have to pour some of this like this, just half of it, just like that. Get it kind of tender like that, and then pour some of the chocolate, just like that. Now the chocolate's gonna be a little heavier, I think. So what we're gonna do is sort of swerve it, cut it like that inside. Now I got the pan already greased with flour, so we kind of taper it off like that, just like this. Give it a little different kind of texture and shape. We're gonna pour another yellow inside like that. Then we're gonna pour some more chocolate. It's marble cake. I love marble cake. Okay, we're gonna get a knife and we're gonna kind of score it like this. Blend it together with the vanilla, just like this. And it should be able to condensate itself when it bakes. That'll be on like a marble. So we're gonna flip some over like this, some like that. We'll add some more vanilla. Now this is about 2 boxes of cake mix, so it's gonna be a very good tall cake. So we're just gonna swirl it around like that. We want it to be marble. I'm gonna add some more chocolate, like that. I like this cake because it's a surprise. You can put any icing you want on it and surprise your guests when they slice it. I like surprises like that. A little bit more of this. I'll swirl it in like that. A little marble cake. Oh, so let me get this on there. And we're gonna put this in the oven at 325 and let it bake for 1 hour, or maybe less, maybe 45 minutes until it's done. Because everybody's oven is different. So I think we got enough swirl in there, don't you think? Yeah. I'm gonna be right back and let you see what it looks like. All right, our marble chocolate marble cake is ready. And I'm gonna put it in this yellow pan, this yellow plate, excuse me. And we're gonna ice it. But I'm deciding what color or what kind of icing or flavor I want to do the icing. Be right back. All right, I placed it in the pan. And if you grease your bunk pan really good with Crisco shortening or some kind of shortening that you like and flour it well, you will have a great success getting your cake out like this. There's no different colorations. It's just perfect. It's a perfect cake because you, uh, well, I guess you flour your tube pan with the shortening and the flour. Yes, I got a video on it too, so go look for that video. Okay, it smells delicious, and I decided that I want to put two colors on there. Yeah, chocolate and vanilla. How about that, y'all? Be right back.